Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I go by locomoto.films online. I'm an automotive cinematographer and photographer, and just want to talk about the day I got my wheels. I obviously, since I was a kid, I always wanted BBS wheels. Huge dream. I would go to magazines and just Gran Turismo and always build out my cars and always slap on like BBS rims. It was just like, they just look so good, but then you find out like how much they are, and you're just in high school, you're not making any money at all. And so it was always a dream, and to have a car that was worthy of dream wheels, you had to have a dream car also. So it was super cool when I finally decided, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get BBS LMs. And I went with LMs. They just look good on every single car, no matter what you slap it on. It'll look amazing. Truly, the finish, it was kind of hard because all the finishes look good. And I just wanted something that was gonna complement my car. I have a black Porsche, so it was just, I kept looking at different setups and I liked all of them, honestly. I liked all of them and they all look cool. But I saw a video of somebody that had a 4S, a black 4S 997 in Malaysia, and it was on black diamond finish. It looked crazy cool, and I was like, you know what, not a lot of people are doing that finish on a black car, on a 997. So I decided to like do a mock-up on Gran Turismo and see how like that looked, and it looked really good. So I was sold, and shout out to Everything is a Spec and Supreme Power. They hooked it up with the wheels like within a couple months when there was a pretty big wait at the time. So I got those really fast to the point where they were just sitting in my garage until I found time to get them put on. And I wanted to get them at Supreme Power set up, but the thing is, it was just kind of a far drive, and my timeline was just not really aligning with theirs. So I ended up going to AR Motorworks in Pasadena, California. And Ron, he's the owner, he hooked it up. He took care of me. His guys were flawless, getting it on there extremely quick, and made some little videos out of it too. So it was really cool to see them work, and then just to see the car getting the lobsters off and then getting the new setup on. It felt like I got a brand new car, honestly. So wheels make a huge difference. Don't cheap out on wheels. Get what you want, save, whatever you gotta do. Don't cheap out on wheels. It's the biggest thing that makes the car at the end of the day, alongside other things, but I feel like it's like getting new shoes for yourself. Get the wheels that you want. Don't think that you can't get them. There's always a way. You can find them used, you can find them secondhand. Sometimes you have a plug, whatever you got to do, just get them, and you're going to be super happy because you're always going to look at your car and you're always going to be like, wow, that's my car. And yeah, that's all I got to say. The wheels came out amazing. I'm super happy with the finish, and I think you guys are going to like it too. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to keep trying to make more of these about once a week or so. So stay tuned.